just wondering, like, if you had accountants when you were going through your stuff, and what you wish they had told you that they didn't. I think we'll stop there.
We actually used Acuity, and it was amazing. We might have been one of your earlier e-commerce clients, right? So Trisha was our bookkeeper, and then Jessica as well. So yeah. So what do I wish they would have told me earlier? I'm probably not the best person to ask that because I have a background in like finance, so I was pretty in the weeds of things to be honest with you. So let me actually defer to Philip and let me think about it a little bit.
Yeah, so I wish we knew about Acuity back in the day. We absolutely had a bookkeeper, but having a firm like you guys where you have a team that just works with e-commerce companies and you kind of share that knowledge between each other and then to the retailers, I think is fantastic. And I wish we had that. We kind of cleaned that up because we had to before our sale a few years ago and got much more sophisticated on the financial side. And we're already seeing the benefit of that. I mean, when you really start digging into your costs and understanding them, and you have somebody who knows what they're doing, looking at that full time, you're obviously going to get benefits. And I love the talk here of you guys taking this more than just, hey, I'm going to manage your books, but hey, by the way, here's some strategy that I can help you with. I just think that's really powerful. I wish we had that. We're definitely in a lot better place than we were before. So again, it goes back to the data really. And this is a huge piece of the puzzle. So
I think then I think I know. We spent a lot of time building solutions in-house to solve problems and pain points that we had. I think most of those were justified because some of our business processes were very like unique and complex. But I think that some of the things that we built, it would have been helpful if someone would have come to us and said, hey, there's a tool out here that does 90% or 85% of what you want done. And this is the cost. And if you're going to build it, this is the cost on that side. I think that would have been helpful for us to kind of say like, hey, build versus buy. And like, here's what other people are doing. Right. I was always like, let's build it. Right. And hindsight, that probably wasn't the best for everything that we did. So